Before you book a Valentine's Day cruise in NYC, watch this. These 4 cruises are couples' favorites for a reason. The first one on the list is Bateaux Premier Dinner Cruise. This tour will serve you a delicious dinner while you enjoy the views of beautiful New York City and a close look at the Statue of Liberty, with a live band performing in the background. This activity will last for 3 hours, and you have unlimited coffee and tea. For more details, check out the link below. Do you want to experience New York City's glittering nighttime skyline from the water with your partner? Well then, this tour is for you. Here, a 1920s style yacht will take you on the Hudson River, and you will pass by One World Observatory, Ellis Island, the Statue of Liberty, and Governor's Island National Monument. On board, you will get 1 complimentary beverage. Would you like to experience the Manhattan skyline with your better half? Then this tour is perfect. This is 1.5-hour tour, where you will cruise under the Brooklyn Bridge, and you will pass by these fantastic locations. Overall, your partner will like this tour in New York. Would you like to explore NYC in a day with your partner? Well, this tour is perfect for you. It's a 6-hour tour, where first you will take you on a walking tour to famous landmarks, like Ike Rockefeller Center, Times Square, the National 9/11 Memorial and Museum, Central Park, and more. And then you hop on a Staten Island ferry to enjoy the views of the Statue of Liberty, and more. Overall, it's a great way to spend the Valentine's Day with your partner. So these are the 4 best cruises in NYC that you would love to book for your partner.